Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're in GTA Online and have a garage or apartment with storage access, because single-player steps differ. Once there, locate the vehicle you want to make personal and drive it close to your property entrance. Make sure you actually own the vehicle. Stolen cars won't always save. If your garage is full, clear one slot by removing or selling a car. Do these checks now so the next steps will be quick and reliable. Drive the car into your garage bay and follow the on-screen prompt to store it. This action registers the vehicle to your account. Once the game saves, go to the garage menu or terminal and remove or sell the previous personal car if you need the slot. This is how you replace rather than duplicate. Make sure vehicle access settings in the interaction menu allow you to call it later. Doing this step ensures the new car becomes part of your personal collection. Once stored, immediately call the vehicle from the interaction menu to confirm it's now your personal car. This verifies the change. If the car doesn't appear, relog to the session, return to your garage, and try storing it again. Sometimes server lag prevents the save. Also, make sure you actually own the vehicle and that your garage had a free slot. If you used a borrowed or stolen car, it might not register. That final check fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.